Imagine strapping a high-definition screen directly over your eyes, pressing a button, and suddenly feeling your stomach drop as your conscious mind is ripped away from the ground and thrown into the cockpit of a drone screaming through the sky at 60 miles per hour. For years, the immersive world of first-person view drone flight has been guarded by a very steep, highly intimidating, and incredibly expensive barrier to entry. If you wanted to experience the pure, unadulterated rush of flying like a bird, seeing exactly what your drone sees in real time with absolute clarity, you had to shell out close to $1,000 just for a premium headset. You had to navigate confusing custom analog frequencies, deal with heavy plastic goggles that pressed painfully against your nose, and fiddle with external battery packs that dangled messy cables down your neck. The casual drone pilot, the hobbyist, and the creator on a budget were completely left out in the cold, forced to stare at flat smartphone screens mounted to their controllers while looking up at the sky. But behind the closed doors of DJI's engineering labs, a disruptive plot was being hatched. The undisputed global titan of drone technology realized they needed a device that could democratize the cockpit experience. They needed a headset that could deliver premium, low-latency digital transmission without forcing everyday flyers to empty their savings accounts. And that is exactly how we arrived at the DJI Goggles N3. It is an exceptionally clever piece of optical engineering, but it also marks a highly strategic, incredibly competitive move by DJI that creates a massive dilemma for drone pilots everywhere. If you are a casual drone enthusiast, a content creator looking to add an immersive edge to your travel videos, or someone who is standing on the precipice of buying your very first FPV setup, you need to freeze exactly where you are. Do not pull out your credit card, do not browse online drone forums, and do not make a single purchase until you listen to every single word of this breakdown. Because the immersive flight landscape has just been completely redefined. We are going to uncover the absolute, unvarnished truth about the DJI Goggles N3. The brilliant engineering shortcuts DJI used to bring premium digital flight down to an affordable price point. The hidden compatibility locks designed to force you deeper into their product ecosystem. And the exact reasons why this headset will either be the ultimate upgrade to your flying routine or a restrictive dead end that you will outgrow in a matter of months. Let's start with the immediate physical sensation, the exact second you pull these goggles out of the box and slip them over your head. For years, the gold standard of FPV design leaned toward ultra-compact, dual-screen goggles that used expensive micro-OLED displays. They looked like sleek futuristic sunglasses, but they required precise adjustment, often suffered from blurry edges if your eyes weren't perfectly centered, and forced people who wear prescription glasses to buy expensive, custom lens inserts just to see the image. With the Goggles N3, DJI completely threw out that restrictive blueprint and returned to a modified, hyper-refined version of the classic box goggle form factor. Instead of two tiny independent screens, the N3 utilizes a single, massive high-definition display nested inside an incredibly spacious facial cavity. When you slide the headset on, the first thing you notice is a profound sense of relief. There is no painful pressure on the bridge of your nose. The soft, breathable foam interface seals perfectly around your face,